Hi, my name is Selina Giacinto, and I'm a therapist with the Somatic Wilderness Therapy Institute. I'm here to bring you another edition of Nervous System Nourishment, and today I want to talk a little bit about ways to come into the present moment. We know that that's really helpful for the nervous system in times of stress, when there isn't a tiger coming after us or some other immediate threat. We can tune into what's actually happening in the now so that our mind doesn't take us into future worries or past fears. The mindfulness bell is one tool for that. So tuning into the ringing as it resonates until it no longer is a way to know that we're presently in the moment. Well, there are beautiful sounds offered by nature, and I invite you to have those as your mindfulness bell. You might tune into the sound of the crickets or the bird calls. You might get lucky and hear some foxes in the distance, or maybe some coyote pups, maybe wild turkeys. So the invitation is to allow yourself the time to simply go out and be with the sounds, but then also when you're simply existing and you notice a sound, let that be what brings you back to the present moment.